Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RVs. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG. Come on in, I'm going to show you this toy hauler. You got two bunks that fold down. The bottom ones will turn into side-by-side dinettes that'll go around your table. You have your two leather glide rockers. Above here you have storage for gear. Nice large screen, smart TV. Over here you have a nice leather couch. It's actually a jackknife bed. And then above the couch you got more cupboards for gear, helmets, etc. And then you got your double door fridge. And then in your galley here you got nice Corian countertops. It's a one piece. You got a nice deep stainless steel sink. And more storage for plates, cups, etc. Then you have your microwave, your 3-burner cooktop, and then a little oven. And then you got garbage space for paper towels, and then 3 full extending drawers. Your generator start button's right here. Come on in the back, I'll show you the bathroom. Oh, right here also is your heat control, your air conditioning. And this also has a solar charging station. Solar panels are already installed on the roof. In the bathroom, you got your vanity, your storage. And then you got your medicine cabinet. Nice shower, glass shower enclosure. And then you got storage underneath for washcloths and etc. Come on back in the bedroom. This one has a little slide out. It's a wardrobe slide out, so you can hang your coats. And then you have storage on both sides of the bed. You got storage above the bed, and then you also have storage underneath. Let's go out and I'll show you the rest. You got a nice power awning, and it's got a LED light that goes right above your door, and it also has floodlights. Then your ramp door, of course, it's got the nice easy plastic. Over here is your ladder so you can get on the roof. Got your fuel station, your controls that let you know how much gas you have. You got your outside shower. Got your Onan 4,000 watt generator. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2020 Attitude 28 IBG, please give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.